like to dig into feeling calmer and more mindful, the other thing I would encourage you to add on to the end of your breathing techniques and exercises is actually some meditation. Now, this can be as simple as a walking meditation where you focus on your breath, or it can be more detailed, such as an actual meditation where you might either listen to a recording while you walk or even in a seated position. So recorded meditation either here on my platform or on another platform. So I've got some recorded meditations that you can check out, or I also run a meditation course as well if you would like to learn to meditate. So I'd really encourage you, if you're looking for an add-on to help you feel even calmer on top of your breathing techniques, really look at checking out some meditation. And this doesn't have to be applied to a particular religion or anything like that. It can be completely agnostic of any religion or any particular form of that kind of thing. So yeah, really encourage you to check out some meditation as well on top of your breathing technique.